Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and play a Block Blast for free on your PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, in order to do this, we need to go ahead and download and install an app or a program on your computer called BlueStacks. So in order to do this, we need to open up a web browser. In Google search bar, type in BlueStacks download. I will leave a link in the description below how to properly download and install BlueStacks. Click in the BlueStacks and then click on download BlueStacks. Once you've downloaded it, go ahead and install it and then open it up. Alright, as you can see, I'm opening up BlueStacks. Once it opens up, we need to do a search for Block Blast. Alright, on the top right hand corner, it'll say search for games and apps. Type in Block Blast, then hit enter. And by the way, any of your favorite apps or games you can search here as well and install on your PC. So, alright, 24 searches results for Block Blast. Here it is here, Block Blast. So from here, go in and click into it. And then it will say install from Google Play. Go in and click on install from Google Play. And then it will say Block Blast install. So go in and click on the install button. And then it's going to download and install like it would do on your mobile device. Once it installs, go ahead and press on the play button and enjoy playing Block Blast for free on your PC.